Creative Hub is a tool that we use to promote intercultural dialogue. Thanks to UNESCO, we were able to work with some young people in Hopely. And this was such an exciting experience to see how dance, to see how music and poetry provides a different form of expression, and it also allows us to tackle certain issues that they are going through, and that all the participants are going through. And we also managed to come up with common understanding. Yes, we're having fun. Yes, we're enjoying ourselves. Yes, we're expressing ourselves. But through this methodology, we were able to see how intercultural dialogue can really make us appreciate each other better, know each other better, and to tolerate each other in a better place.
UNESCO has been leading on developing intercultural dialogue, one as a concept and explaining the concept in academia and developing and raising awareness about it. But now we are moving towards more the application of the concept, how we can use intercultural dialogue as a tool to bring different groups of our society, mainly youth. We are targeting youth and bring them together to use the concept as a tool for common understanding of some concept like cultural diversity, and use the tool for social cohesion and bring young people from different backgrounds to tackle some of the challenges of our societies. So as a UNESCO regional office for Southern Africa, we have been working with young people in our sub-region, mainly SADC, to use this tool and build their capacity in using intercultural dialogue as a tool for social inclusion and cohesion.
Yeah, we have recently seen renewed global interest in the issue of intercultural dialogue, and with very good reason. You will remember that the General Assembly in 2012 adopted a resolution to launch a decade on what we call, with a difficult word, rapprochement, which in fact is a decade that is dedicated to two interrelated issues. One, to celebrate cultural diversity, but then also to emphasize unity in diversity and to address issues of common values.
So yes, the Creative Arts Hub was an exciting way to promote intercultural dialogue.